Always check your chain tension before cutting. If the flats on the chain hang out of the bar groove, it needs adjusting. Now for some totally obvious tips from our legal department. Make sure you turn off the saw and make sure the chain is stopped before checking it. And wear gloves. Now we know you know, but somebody somewhere didn't. New chains always need to break in a bit, so be sure to adjust it within the first 5 cuts. To adjust, first disengage the chain brake. Loosen the bar retaining nuts, but don't remove them. Hold the guide bar tip up and rotate the tensioning screw clockwise with a screwdriver. The right tension depends on the chain temperature. If you haven't started cutting yet, the chain should fit snug against the guide bar. If the saw is warmed up, the drive links should hang approximately 1/16 of an inch out of the guide bar groove, or 1.3 millimeters metrically speaking. After adjusting, lift the tip of the guide bar up to check the tension. If it's still too loose, keep turning the tensioning screw clockwise until you get there. If the chain gets too tight though, it won't rotate at all. So turn the tensioning screw a quarter turn counterclockwise. You should be able to turn the chain by hand without binding. When you've got the right tension, make sure you're holding the guide bar tip up and tighten the retaining nuts. Much better. When your chainsaw cools down after use, the chain tightens up, and if you just tightened it before cutting, you can damage the saw. That's why it's good to loosen the chain a little after you're done. After you've piled up a good amount of wood, and you know you will, the bottom of your chain bar will have gotten an unfair amount of wear and tear. So every so often, flip the guide bar upside down when you tighten the chain. You'll get more mileage out of the bar that way. Any other chainsaw questions? Click one of these.
Hey guys, I'm Shanley. Today I'm going to tell you about this 20-inch gas-powered chainsaw from Husqvarna. This factory refurbished chainsaw runs on a 50.2cc, 3.2 horsepower, gas-powered engine with a maximum power speed of 9,000 RPM. The air injection system uses a centrifugal air cleaning system to remove larger dust and debris particles before they reach the air filter, which reduces how often you have to clean the filter and improves the life of the engine. The X-Torque engine delivers lower fuel consumption and reduced exhaust emission levels. Plus, the chainsaw features a 3-piece crankshaft for maximum durability and a combined choke stop control that allows for easier starting and reduces the rest of the engine flooding. This factory refurbished chainsaw also comes with a 90-day VM Innovations warranty. And as always, we offer unbeatable prices and fast, free shipping.
Faster, easier starts, outstanding durability, and commercial duty cutting performance without the extra weight. Rule the outdoors with the MAKITA 42cc Farm Chainsaw. Slow starting chainsaws are a waste of time. MAKITA Easy Start is a spring-assisted starter with low RPM ignition coil. That means 30% lower rope pull resistance and faster, easier starts. The 3-horsepower engine is engineered for fast acceleration and efficient cutting. The compact, comfortable design includes a 2-piece magnesium crankcase for less weight and improved durability. Toolless filter access allows for quick and convenient maintenance. It weighs only 10.8 pounds with added features including single-touch engine stop and a dampening system engineered for less vibration. Easier starts, outstanding durability, and commercial duty cutting performance without the extra weight.
Our ambition was to develop the best chainsaw range in the world. And in order to do that, we asked end users for their needs and requirements. And I'm convinced that we succeeded in developing the best chainsaw range ever.
We wanted to create a design where we emphasize what's inside. We wanted to do it in an unconventional way. So we designed the meat concept, which is based on that we have a skin on the chainsaw that is the flat black, and then we have cut away material to expose the meat inside, and sometimes yellow comes out and sometimes the glossy black comes out on the product. The whole intention of the design was to make it look cool, to really appeal to the man, to make it masculine and with a muscular feeling, and to make it look really aggressive. So we've used dynamic lines and really tensioned surfaces. One characteristic of the product is the line on the fan housing. It gives it a very forward motion and makes the product very dynamic.
This chainsaw range is the best because of features such as soft start, toolless chain tensioning, endurance to ensure a long lifetime, and of course, the power to get it done. This is a new and unique chainsaw range, and McCulloch has a long and proud history of making good chainsaws, and this range takes that one big step further.